When environmental regulations change, conducting an environmental impact assessment is crucial to ensure compliance. This proactive approach helps identify potential issues and align operations with new standards. Choosing between two fitness programs requires evaluating evidence objectively. This method ensures that decisions are based on facts and data, leading to more effective and personalized fitness outcomes. If a project deadline is unexpectedly moved forward, it's essential to inform stakeholders and renegotiate terms. Open communication helps manage expectations and adjust plans effectively. Disagreeing with feedback can be challenging, but listening actively by asking clarifying questions and responding respectfully fosters constructive dialogue and mutual understanding. Avoiding an overloaded schedule is key to reducing stress and burnout. Prioritizing tasks and managing time effectively leads to a healthier work-life balance. When a supplier delays delivery, contacting them to explore alternatives is the best course of action. This proactive approach can mitigate disruptions and maintain supply chain efficiency. A high-performance team is defined by effective collaboration and communication. These elements foster innovation, efficiency, and a positive work environment. When the preferred communication method is unavailable, using backup channels ensures continuity and prevents disruptions in workflow. Responding to customer complaints about product quality by investigating and improving is crucial. This approach not only resolves issues but also enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. When assigned a task outside your scope, requesting training is the best approach. It empowers you with the necessary skills and knowledge to tackle new challenges effectively. If you don't understand an idea presented, asking clarifying questions demonstrates active listening. This engagement helps ensure comprehension and fosters effective communication. A high-reliability organization values continuous learning and improvement. This commitment to growth and adaptation ensures resilience and long-term success. For risky but potentially lucrative investments, conducting a risk assessment is essential. This thorough analysis helps balance potential rewards with associated risks. Feedback should be given regularly and constructively. This approach supports continuous improvement and fosters a culture of openness and growth. When an upset customer complains about a delay, apologizing and investigating the issue is key. This response shows empathy and commitment to resolving the problem. When a client requests a feature outside the scope, evaluating feasibility and impact ensures informed decision-making and maintains project integrity. Late afternoon with unfinished tasks calls for focusing on the most important ones. This prioritization ensures that critical objectives are met efficiently. Finding an error in a financial report requires informing stakeholders and correcting it promptly. Transparency and accuracy are vital in maintaining trust and credibility. When evaluating solutions, considering feasibility, effectiveness, and impact ensures comprehensive decision-making that aligns with strategic goals. With 2 weeks for a task that takes a few days, assessing importance and scheduling appropriately optimizes productivity and prevents last-minute rushes. Avoiding all unknown risks is not the best approach. Embracing calculated risks can lead to innovation and growth, while complete avoidance may hinder progress.